People usually ask how much does it cost to build in mobile applications. To be honest, there is no standard price. Te- It totally depends what all features you need, how soon you need, and which platform you need. So today I'll give you a complete idea how much its approximate cost. So it depends on whether you are building a free app or the paid app. You are building for the subscribers and for in-app purchase. Who all are your customers? Where you are going to launch? What kind of app you are trying to build, whether you are building a e-commerce applications where people will buy online, then you have to take any kind of payment. You have to take a third party services um, for accepting the payments, maybe Stripe integrations or the PayPal integrations you required, or Apple and Google also allowed you to take payments online. Also, whether you are trying to build a hybrid applications or the native applications. So native applications are usually costly compared to the hybrid applications. In hybrid applications where the one code can run on both Android and iOS platform, but the UI and the smoothness and the quality of native Android and iOS applications are much better compared to the hybrid applications. If you wanted to build a web app, then hybrid applications are recommended, but if you really wanted to build a great quality applications, you should go with the native applications. I have given complete idea how the difference between the native and hybrid. Then you can choose the platform. If you are located in USA, then probably the iOS is the first choice of yours. If you wanted to launch your application in India, then most of the people are going to use Android application. Usually you should try with one applications launch in the market and see how the people are responding. Then you can then in the next version, when you are trying to iterate, you can iterate the other version as well. But if you launch both applications, it's going to cost you little higher because the two people would be working on your applications. Then the next part is uh, what all functionality you need, whether you need a list app or the dynamic app, whether you wanted to build some gamifications in your applications, login, profile, the login also, like whether you want normal login or you want a login with the social media. Usually now people are preferring login with the social medias because nobody wanted to base wanted to bait their users to spend and sign up. Now Facebook and Google login is like people are preferring the profile. They can fetch the profile data from the Facebook, push notifications, chatbots, social integrations, geo positioning, payments. These all are the features of most of the applications. Now the next question would be whether you are the one who is going to provide the designs, or the designer has to make, or the company has to make. It totally depends on if they are going to make, then you have to brainstorm together, you have to give them a feedback, and then its best way is to draw some the sketches and then talk to the outsourcing companies. In other video I already shared you how to create a requirement document. I'm sure this is going to help you making your requirement quite clear. Then you can choose the development, how soon you want, whether you're going to launch your complete product phase by phase or you want all the things in one go. Then you can ask them support and maintenance because it's going to take ongoing requirement changes. Then total investments you can ask them, and then you can divide the pricing in the phase by phase. So most of the companies, they take one milestones. If the requirement is quite clear, the designs is already approved or it yet to be approved, then you can divide the payment in milestone basis, maybe 30 30 30% and the final 10% at the end of the delivery. So those all things you can work out. Usually every team has a few team members like project managers, developers, and the backend guy is someone who build APIs which connects the database throughout all the applications. The designers and the QA, you can based on the budget and the team requirement, you can select which one you wanted to go with. If you need more help, you can request us. We will pass on some case studies to you. Thank you so much.